The following is an evening home program lecture given by His Holiness Gaura Govindaswamy, recorded on the 11th of June, 1992 in Vancouver, Canada.
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्ति। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगणरघुनाथनीतं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगतपति गोपीशो गोपिका कांतो राधा कांतो नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायति कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्नि गौरतुयसे नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैतो गदाधरो श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तो वृंद। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य बोलो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आनंद लीलामय विग्रहाय हेमाव दिव्यो छवि सुंदराय तस्मै महाप्रेम रस प्रदाय श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः। Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's wonderful mercy that we meet and have such good association of you, dear devotees of Sriman Mahaprabhu, that will benefit both of you and myself also. Association of devotees. Mahaprabhu, Sriman Mahaprabhu is wonderfully merciful, wonderfully magnanimous, wonderfully munificent. He is only our well-wishing friend. Therefore, he came here, descended here, to give us the highest thing, Krishna Prema, by which Krishna becomes bound up and gets Krishna. That is the supreme perfection of human birth. So, Mahajanas, dear devotees of Sriman Mahaprabhu, they say so and they sing also. Prabhu tumi jivero mangalo chinta kori. Prabhu tumi jivero mangalo कली जुगे नाम संगे सोयं अवतोरी कली जुगे नाम संगे सोयं अवतोरी जुग धर्म प्रचारी लो नाम संकीर्तन जुग प्रचारी लो नाम संकीर्तन मुख्य पथे जीव पाय कृष्ण प्रेम धन मुख्य पथे जीव पाय कृष्ण प्रेम धन नामेर स्मरण आर नाम संकीर्तन नामे रण आर नाम संकीर्तन এই মাত্র ধর্ম জীব করিবে পালন এই মাত্র ধর্ম জীব করিবে পালন সর্ববেদ বলে গাও হরি নাম সারো বেদ বলে গাও হরি নাম সারো পাইবে পরমা প্রীতি আনন্দ পারো পাইবে পরমা প্রীতি আনন্দ পারো বেদ পুণ্য বলে যত মুক্ত মহাজন পুণ্য বলে যত মুক্ত মহাজন পরব্যমে করে সদা নাম সংকীর্তন রব্যমে করে সদা নাম সংকীর্তন হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur has said this thing in Harinam Chintamani. প্রভু তুমি জীবের মঙ্গল চিন্তা করি কলি যুগে নাম সঙ্গে সৈং অবতরী যুগ ধর্ম প্রচারিল নাম সংকীর্তন মুখ্য পথে জীব পায় কৃষ্ণ প্রেমধন ও লর্ড ইউ আর সো মার্সিফুল thinking all auspiciousness and welfare of all jivas. You descend yourself in this Kali Yuga with your holy name. Nama Sangye Swayam Avatari. Juga Dharma Pracharilo Nam Sankirtan. And you preach this Juga Dharma, that is Harinam Sankirtan. Mukhya Pathi Jiva Pai Krishna Premadhana. The chief result of chanting this Harinam, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, is to get Krishna Prema. Is get Krishna Prema. Mahaprabhu is giving Krishna Prema through chanting this holy name. Namneiva pradurasid avatarati pare jatratam naumi gauram. Prabodhananda Srila Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad has said this thing in Chaitanya Chandramrita. Namneiva pradurasid avatarati pare jatratam naumi gauram. I pay my obeisance to that Gaura, most munificent incarnation Gaura, who gives prema, Krishna prema, through chanting this holy name. Nobody has given. Abhinnatam nama namino. There is no difference between name of Krishna and Krishna himself. Is there difference? No. No difference. So this Harinam is Lord Hari himself. Krishna Nam is Krishna himself. And the chief result of chanting this Harinam is to get Krishna Prema. Thereby, directly. Do you understand? Very easy process. Therefore, he started this Harinam Sankirtan Juga Dharma. Namer Smaran or Nam Sankirtan, Imatra Jiva Dharma Koribe Palon. This is one Dharma of Kali Juga. Think of holy name always. Think of Krishna always. Aharnisa Chinta Krishna Balaha Bodhani. Ki Swayani, Ki Jagrani, Ki Bhojani. Day and night, 24 hours, think of Krishna. Chant his name, every state, waking state, sleeping state, dreaming state, while taking food. Don't forget Krishna even for a moment. That's Mahaprabhu's instruction. Always keep Krishna in your mind. Manmana bhava, as Krishna has said. Most confidential instruction. Think of me. Keep me in your mind. But they say so. Krishna said so. Mahaprabhu came, Bhakta Avatar, assuming the mood of devotee, to teach us how to keep Krishna in mind, how to surrender into Krishna. Do you understand? With love. How to establish our eternal, perfect, eternal, loving relationship with Krishna. This is loving relationship, not mere relationship. Do you understand? We have eternal relationship with Krishna. It's not mere, one adjective is there. It's a loving relationship. It's not mere relationship. You should forget this point. Do you understand? Should not forget this point. It's a loving relation based on love. Without love, no relationship is there. Not a relationship is established. No, not at all. How the stupid mind, disobedient, stubborn, fickle mind, think of Krishna. No. Is it thinking of? Though we hear so many times from sadhus, gurus, still the stupid mind is not thinking of Krishna. Has he kept Krishna in mind? No. 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 Such stupidity is there. Mind is so stupid. Dustamana. Your mind, you are very rascal, great rascal, stupid, stubborn, fickle, disobedient. Mano je pagol mora. Bhakti Vinod Thakur Mahajana says. Gopinath point. Gopinath, mano je pagol moro namane sasan. Oh Gopinath, my mind is mad mind, stupid mind. I tried my best to exercise control over it. I fail. I fell. Yes, he admitted. Monojis pagal moro namane saso. Yes, that's a fact, isn't it? Yes. হারও যে মেনেছি আমি, ও গোপীনাথ, হারও যে মেনেছি আমি। I admit my defeat. Exercise control over this stupid mind, stubborn mind, fickle mind, disobedient mind. What shall I do now? তুমি হৃষিকেশ হৃষিকদমিয়া তার সংস্কৃতি ঘরে। হ্যাঁ, তুমি হৃষিকেশ হৃষিকদমিয়া তার সংস্কৃতি ঘরে। গোপীনাথ, you are Hrishikesh. You are the master and controller of the mind and senses. Hrishikesh. One of the names of Krishna is Hrishikesh, isn't it? Unless you take charge of my mind, what shall I do? Please take charge of my mind. You understand? To me, Hrishikesh or Hrishikadamiya, Taro Sanskrit. Please, you exercise control over this stupid mind, rascal mind, stubborn mind, disobedient mind, fickle mind. Please deliver me from this material whirlpool, bewilderment. You understand? The bewilderment. Maya puts forth this bewilderment. I am always bewildered. Do you understand? Yes. So Mahaprabhu, he is Krishna himself, and he came, just practically teach us, practically demonstrated how to keep Krishna in mind. Always chanting, always thinking. You understand? And Veda says, Sarva Veda bolega Harinama sar, paibe parama priti ananda upar. All Vedas say. It's Vedic truth. It's not concocted theory, fictitious story. It's Vedic truth. All Vedas say. Madhurang madhurang meetam mangalang mangalanang sakala nigama bali satphalam chitiswarupam sakrudapi sradhaya helaya babhrugubara naramatra tarayate krishnana. Veda says. Madhurang madhurang metam mangalang mangalanang. This Krishna Nam is sweeter than the sweetest. Isn't it? Are you really seeing such sweetness? If you really such sweetness, how can you live it? I can't live such sweetness, such nectar. The stupid mind cannot live it. We can taste it. If cannot taste, then how will it be? Sweeter than the sweetest. Mangalang mangalanang. The more auspicious than the most auspicious. Krishna Nam. Sakala nigama balli satpalam siddhiswarupam. This is the last fruit. Sweetest, most ripened, sweetest fruit of the Vedic tree, last fruit, is Krishna Nam. Mahaprabhu gives the last thing. Sarva Veda bolega Harinam sar, paibe parama priti ananda upar. Then you'll get supreme pleasure, supreme blissfulness. Ananda. Do you understand? Ananda upar. Veda puna bole, jota mukta mahajan, parabhyame kore sada nam sankirtan. Again Veda says, those who are eternally liberated Mahajanas, they also chant this Hare Krishna there in spiritual world. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Do you understand? গোলকের প্রেমধন হরিনাম সংকীর্তন রতিনা জন্মিল কেন তাই Narottam Das Thakur says this Harinam Sankirtan doesn't belong to this material world. It's Golokir Premadhan, isn't it? It's Golokir Premadhan. Mahaprabhu has brought it from Golok, Gaur, Nitai. They have brought it. Huh? I am stupid, so stupid. My mind is so stupid, rascal. Still I cannot develop taste for it. Huh? Durdaivaidrusi mihadani nanuraga. Sikhyastaka. Mahaprabhu says, Nam kari bahudha nija sarva sakti tatarpita niyamena smaranena kao etadrusi tava krupa bhagavan mamapi durdaivaidrusi mihadani nanuraga. Huh? Mahaprabhu's teaching. Huh? Etadrusi tava krupa. Oh Lord, you are so merciful, wonderfully merciful, causelessly merciful. Huh? You put all your tense in this holy name, Sarva Shakti. Huh? You have out all the bars, all restrictions. No bar, no restriction, chanting holy name. Any place, any time, any condition one can chant. Huh? Isn't it? And you get the highest thing, Krishna Prema, through chanting this holy name. But Durdaiva Idrusi Mehadani Naruraga. I am such Durdaiva. I am such rascal, stupid. I cannot develop taste for it. Huh? Why is it so? He gives such thing. But such stupidity is just with us. We cannot accept it. Huh? Sad Krishna Nama Charitadi Sitapya Vidya. Huh? Pitopatattarasanasya narochikanu. Kintu adarad anudinam khalusaiva justa. Syadavi kramad bhavati tadgata mulahantri. Rupa Goswami says. Huh? Srila Rupa Goswami says in Nectar of Instruction, Upadesamrita. Huh? Isn't it? So, are these empty words? Empty words? Huh? We should think it of seriously. Sad Krishna Nama Charitadi Siddhapya Vidya. Pitopataptarasanasya narochikan. Kintu adarad anudinam khalusaiva justa. Syadvi kramad bhavati tadgatam lahantri. Krishna Nama, Krishna Charita. The holy name, transcendental name of Krishna, Krishna Katha. So sweet, so nectarian, isn't it? Pitopataptana rasa, huh? Naruchikan. Do you understand? Sugar candy, so sweet, isn't it? But a jaundice patient who has been affected by jaundice, eyes look yellow, skin look yellow, urine looks yellow, isn't it? If you give him sugar candy taste, what he say? Oh, bitter. Is sugar candy bitter?
As far as I know.
If you give him neem leaf, oh, very sweet. Sugar candy tastes bitter and neem leaves taste sweet to him. Are Baba, what has happened to you? Because he's a diseased person. Do you follow? He's a diseased person. Huh? What disease? Pitopatapto. Excessive bile is there. Bile means bitter. Do you understand? Kapho, Vato, Pito. Three dhatus are there inside. Huh? Kopho, bato, pito, mucus, bile and hair. So bile is excessive. So therefore, this sugar candy tastes bitter. Do you understand? Naruchikano. Really, if he is conscious, if he is not callous, you should understand me. If he is not callous, if he is really conscious, yes, really, I am a diseased person. I am a diseased person. How can I get myself cured of this disease? He is a conscious person. He is not callous. So what will I do? He'll approach a doctor, physician. Yes. Bona fide doctor. Do you understand? Not bogus doctor, a bona fide doctor, physician. He must approach. Doctor knows, yes, excessive bile is there. Therefore, sugar candy tastes bitter. Do you understand? And that sugar candy is the medicine. That tastes bitter. That is medicine. So what medicine is prescribed? She says, take this medicine and take it with the sugar candy. Oh, what this? Not taste bitter, he prescribed. Huh? And if he is serious, yes, if it tastes bitter, this will cure my disease. He knows he's bona fide doctor. Anudinam khalsaiva justa sadvi kramadhoti sadgatam lahantri. Prescribed days, you take it for 1 month or like this, what prescription is there. Though it tastes bitter, still putting faith in the words of that doctor, physician, according to his instruction, prescription, he takes gradually. He will be cured of that disease, bile. Excessive bile will be suppressed. Now gives the, what do you say, equilibrium. Bato, pito, kopho. What do you say in English, Mother? Mucus, bile, and hair. If it keeps equilibrium, the body is healthy. If there is no equilibrium, some is excessive, then the disease. Do you understand? This is Ayurveda. Some disease, if there is excessive bile, some is pitagata roga. Excessive air is vata roga. Excessive mucus is kapha roga. Isn't it? This is Ayurveda. Physician knows. And he puts faith in physician's prescription, words, and uses the medicine, though it tastes bitter, then gradually it diminishes. Then that what was tasting bitter now tastes sweet. Oh, so sweet. Then he says, so sweet, this sugar candy. Do you understand? Similarly, materially, materialistic persons, materially affected. Do you understand? Always thinking of material enjoyment. How to earn money, 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 money. Brighter than sunshine, sweeter than honey. Running after them. Gordhavir moto ami kori parishram. Like us, toiling hard, day and night, isn't it? Toiling hard, like us, like an ass. Ass knows only two things. Ass, an animal of very low consciousness. Gadha, Gadha, Gadha. He knows only two things. What is that? A bundle of grass and sex. Nothing else. Nothing else. Only for those two things. Toils hard, toils hard, toils hard. Carries very heavy burden. Master gives lashes. Carrying. Do you understand? Similarly, the materialistic person is toiling very hard. Kahar lagyo to kor na guchilo bro. Hey, for what purpose are you toiling so hard? What purpose? Eating, sleeping, defending, mating. Huh? Nothing else. Do you understand? So how can you develop taste for this? Huh? Krishna Nama Charita Adi Sitapya Vidya. The Krishna Nama and Charita is so sweet, sweeter than the sweetest, more auspicious than the most auspicious. Last ripened sweet fruit, sweetest fruit of Vedic tree. Mahaprabhu gives through chanting holy name. So he cannot develop taste. It's as bitter. You understand? So many thoughts are haunting the mind, isn't it? How can I earn more money, more money, more money? Can make nice arrangements of eating, sleeping, defending, and mating. Hard struggle for existence, isn't it? Very hard struggle for existence. Yogyotama Rudvartana, survival of the fittest, isn't it? Survival of the fittest. The fittest person, only he can survive. Otherwise, no question of survival. I will be fittest person who makes very nice arrangement of eating, sleeping, defending, and mating. He is fittest person. Cannot make unfit person. Maharaj is unfit person. Cannot make. Please excuse me, Maharaj. Please excuse me. If I
Please excuse me.
survival of the fittest. Yogyotama Rudvartana, survival of the fittest. Oh, this person is unfit person. He cannot make a nice arrangements for eating, sleeping, defending, and mating. So he is an escapist. An escapist. You see, people say so. Size, Baba. Isn't it? Materialistic person. Yes. So many thoughts are haunting. Sudami Dharamani Rachinta. Thought of the wife, thought of the son, thought of the daughter, thought of the material possessions, money, bank balance, my project. Ahani aprutartha karana nisi nisayana. Nana manarthadhiya khana bhagna nidra. He cannot sleep at night, Baba. Nana manarthadhiya khana bhagna nidra. So many thoughts haunting. Oh, that project is there. Oh, that person didn't give money. Oh, that took away my possessions. So many thoughts. He cannot sleep. Throughout the honey means throughout the daytime, toiling very hard like an ass. Then when it is evening, comes back to home to take a rest, sleep. Cannot sleep. Cannot sleep. How can he sleep? When there are materialistic thoughts are there, disturbing the mind, stupid mind. Do you understand? He has fallen a prey to his stupid mind. Do this, that, do that, do this, do this. Hit him, stab him, stab him. Huh? Isn't it? And earn money, so much black money. Sitting government, not giving taxes, giving false accounts. My income is this. So government men are putting eye. And oh, this man is cheating us. Grab him. Do you understand? So they are coming to grab him. And he has kept an Alsatian dog to guard his black money, wealth. At night. Nana manarthadhiya khano bhogna nidra. No sleep. If by chance some little sleep is there, then dog barks. Oh, bo! Hey, dog came! Hey, robber came! Hey, government people came. Khano bhogna nidra. No sleep, Baba. How can it be? Then goes to the doctor. Oh, Dr. Babu, please, I cannot sleep. Sleeplessness is a disease. Insomnia. Yes, that's a disease. What is this life? Huh? Kukur sukar pra jivan bitai. Living life like dogs and hogs. Is it a human life? Huh? Kukur sukar pra jivan bitai. Let's live like dog and hog. No sleep. Huh? Goes to doctor. Oh, Dr. Babu, I cannot sleep. Please give me some sleeping pill. Doctor gives some sleeping pill just to sleep. That helps. That's very, what's that? Strong drugs. LSD, marijuana. Yes, that's a fact. Statistics. Some statisticians, they have collected statistics, especially in this West. It is very great, you see. Every day, so much this sleeping pills are used. If accumulated, it will become a Himalayan mountain. Yes, yes, one statistician has given some statistics. That's a fact. We cannot sleep, you see. What is this? Life? Because Krishna is not there, Baba. Krishna says, who is your real friend? Srudam Sarva Bhutanam. Only well-wishing friend of all living entities. Mahaprabhu, he came as Mahaprabhu said, Ahornisa Chinta Krishna, Balaho Bodhani. Ki Sayane, ki Jagarane, ki Bhojane. 24-hour day and night. Think of Krishna, utter name of Krishna. Sleeping state, dreaming state, waking state, even at time of taking food, don't forget. But stupid mind, not thinking. These thoughts are there. Materialistic thoughts. He cannot develop taste, though he's nectarian. Durdaiva idrusi mahajani nanurago. I am such a rascal. Such a durdaiva. I cannot develop taste for it. I can't drive out these thoughts from my mind. Helps, isn't it? And people have this conception. Oh, sadhus, they have some jari booty medicine. Sadhus have. The one such person was there. He tried. He took many medicines. Went to many doctors, physicians. Failed. Cannot. Put Krishna into his mind. That means cannot drive out these materialistic thoughts from his mind. Cannot sleep, you see. So he thought about light. Sadhu Maharaj is there. Vaishnava Maharaj. And this general conception, general sadhus have some jari booties, some medicines. They know. And so let me go there. So once he came to that Sadhu Maharaj, Vaishnava Maharaj is Gaudiya Vaishnava, chanting Hare Krishna, speaking Krishna Katha. His followers are there. Do you understand? Sishyas, disciples. So in congregation, Krishna Katha is there. And Harinam Sankirtan is there. So that person came. Help lot. Obeisant Dandavat Maharaj. I am a very, very distressed person. I cannot sleep at night. I think you have some medicine, jari booty. Will you please give me some medicine that I can sleep? I failed. I went to so many doctors, so many physicians, took so many medicines. Didn't work. At last I have come to you. And Vaishnava Maharaj could understand immediately that he is a very materialistic person, or materialistic thoughts are haunting his mind, so he cannot sleep. If it will be driven out from his mind, Krishna will be there, then he will have peaceful sleep. Do you understand? Shanti, Shanti, peace, peace. Do you understand? In last verse of Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter. Bhaktaram Jagnatapasang Sarvaloka Maheswaram Srihridam sarvabhutanam gyantamam santim ruchati. How to get santi, peace? Huh? Krishna says. Huh? One who knows one that I am Bhoktar, I am the only enjoyer. Nobody is enjoyer. Krishna is only enjoyer. Jiva cannot be enjoyer. Huh? Builder soul thinks, ahankara vimudatma thinks so. A builder soul, builder jiva thinks that I am enjoyer, I am master. No? Krishna says, I am the master, I am the enjoyer. Isn't it? Sarvaloka Maheshwara. I am the Lord of both material and spiritual planets. Isn't it? Srihudam sarvabhutanam. I am the only well-wishing friend of all living entities. One who knows this, he gets peace. He gets peace. Ang sarvasya prabhava matta sarvam pravartati. Iti matva bhante mang buddha bhava samannita. Gita says, Krishna's words. I am the source of all emanations. Everything has emanated from me. That means I am the proprietor, only proprietor. Everything is my property. Isn't it? Everything is related to me. Is one relationship. Is a relationship with Krishna. You understand? And this is a loving relationship. The Buddha, those who know this, Pandits, real Pandits, learned person, those who know this, they do bhajan. Buddha bhava samannita. What that bhava? What that mood? It is love. Loving mood. They do bhajan. So they are peaceful. Karmi, Jnani, Jogi, Sokulyo Santa. Ekamatra Krishna Bhakta Niskama, Odhaiva Santa. Isn't it? Follow my language. Karmi, Jnani, Jogi, Sokulyo Santa. Ekamatra Krishna Bhakta Niskama, Odhaiva Santa. Karmi is pretty workers. So many unlimited material desires are there. Do this, do this, do this, do this, do this, get this, get this, get this. He cannot get peace. Jnani wants to merge into Brahman effulgence. Do you understand? Or merge into Supreme Lord. He cannot get peace. Do you understand? Yogi, mystic yogi, doing yoga sadhana, get mystic perfection. He cannot get peace. Saukoli Osan. All are disturbed, no peace. Ekamatro, Krishna Bhakta is Ekamatro Niskama. Odhaiva Santa. The Krishna Bhakta. They are devotee of Krishna. What developed a knowledge devotion of Vyabhisarini Bhakti. Na dhanang na janang na sundaring kavitamba jagadisha kamaya. Mama janmani janmani sware bhavatad bhakti hetu kitoi. Mahaprabhu has taught us this thing. Oh Lord, I don't ask anything from you. Na dhanang na janang. I don't ask for this material wealth. Na janang, no, I don't want material followers. I don't ask for that thing. Na sundaring kavitamba jagadisha kamaya. I don't want. I don't beg for this thing. Give me a nice wife to enjoy, woman to enjoy. No. Janmani janmaniswari bhavatad bhakti rahitu gitoi. I don't want to give me liberation. No. Life after life, I will serve you. Do you understand? Please give me that unalloyed devotion only. Life after life, I will serve your lotus feet and give you pleasure. I don't ask anything for me. Do you understand? Serving Krishna. Do you understand? Jivar Swarupa hoy Krishna Nitya Das. Real constitutional position of Jiva, eternal servant of Krishna. So serving Krishna, offer service to Krishna. In return, if you ask for these things, you are not servant. Doing business transaction with Krishna. Banik. Nasa bhritya. Sabai banik nasa bhritya. Isn't it? Prahlad Maharaj, 7th canto. Bhagavatam. Doing business transaction. You're not servant. Do you understand? Nothing. Don't beg anything for loving service and give pleasure and happiness to Krishna. You understand? It's niskama. That is desirelessness. He is peaceful. Adaiv Krishna Bhakta niskama, adaiva santa. He is peaceful. He has kept Krishna in his mind. Krishna is the source of peace. Ananda. Huh? Isn't it? Satchidananda. Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha. Anadiradir Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. Brahma Samgita says. He is Parameswara, he is Supreme Ishvara. Huh? Haristeka Tattvam Vidhishiva Suresa Pranamitam. Lord Hari is the supreme truth. Even Vidhi, Brahma, Shiva, Suresa, heavenly king, Indra, all are subordinates. Isn't it? Yes. Just offer service. Loving service. And don't beg anything from him. Just give him pleasure, satisfaction, enjoyment. Krishna is only enjoy. You understand? No other desire is there. Niskama, desirelessness. Na dhanam, na dhanam. Na sundari kavitam jagadisha kame mama janmani janmani sure bhavata bhakti rahit. Life after life, I'll serve your lotus feet and give you pleasure. That's nothing. He is peaceful. He keeps Krishna in mind always. Thinks of only Krishna. Huh? He has developed love for Krishna. He has established loving relationship with Krishna. Then stupid mind is controlled. Do you understand? Not thinking of anything else. You have developed taste so sweet, so nectarian. If you taste, never hanker after anything else. And especially in Kali Yuga, especially in Kali Yuga, right? Harinam namiva kevalam. Kalau nasti gatiranyatha. No other way, no other way, no other way in Kali Yuga. Only Harinamiva kevalam only. Harinam, take shelter of Harinam. You understand? Because Kali Yuga namarupi Krishna Bhotaro Kali Yuga namarupi Krishna Bhotaro Nama hoite hoye sarvo Jogoto nistaro Nama hoite hoye sarvo Jogoto nistaro Namo bina koli kali Nai aro dharma na Ina koli kali Nai aro dharma Sarva mantro saranamo Ei sastro maramo Sarva mantro saranamo Ei sastro maramo. This is Shastric evidence, Shastra Marma. Huh? You understand? This is not fictitious story. All Vedic literatures. Shastra Praman. Kali Yuga Namarupe Krishna Avatar. Is name incarnation in Kali Yuga. No other incarnation is there in Kali Yuga. Do you understand? Nama hoite hoy sarva jagata nistar. Whole world will be delivered through this holy name. With that, accept it. Huh? Nama vina kolikala nai aro dharma. No other dharma is there. Hare namiva kevalam. Take shelter of Harinam. Huh? That is Krishna is Krishna. In Harinam has incarnated himself as the holy name. Sarva Shastra. So Vaishnava Maharaj was chanting Hare Krishna, speaking Krishna Katha. Do you understand? No other thought is there. No other desire is there. Only to please Krishna and give enjoyment. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, right? What he says? Nija sukha lagi kichu nahi koriyar. Bhakti vinoda bole taba sukha jar. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Mahajan. Great Mahajan Acharya in our life. Oh Lord, I won't do anything for my own pleasure and enjoyment. I'll do everything for your pleasure and enjoyment. प्रभु तुम पद जुगे এই নিবেদন নাহি মাগি দেহ সুখ বিদ্যা ধন জন নাহি মাগি স্বর্গ আর মোক্ষ নাহি মাগি না করি প্রার্থনা কোন বিভূতির লাগি Bhaktivinoda Thakur, another song. Oh Lord, this is my prayer unto your lotus feet. I don't ask for vidya dhana jana. I don't ask for the materialistic education. You understand? I don't ask for the materialistic wealth. Dhana, jana, followers. It's not teaching. Mahaprabhu get no dhana, no jana. You understand? Nahi magi deha sukho. Prabhu, tuma pada juge ei nivedon. Nahi magi deha sukho vidya. I don't ask for you. Please give me bodily comfort. No. Give me all bodily discomfort. Are you begging? Body is very dear. We're begging. Give me all comfort. Give me all comfort. Give me all comfort. Some discomfort. Hey! I lost my faith. Maharaj, I lost my faith. Gave all discomfort to me. I lost my faith. You see? You such stupidity, rascal dumb is going on. Huh? Isn't it? Nahi magi deha sukha vidya dhanadhan. I don't beg to give me a bodily comfort and enjoyment, O Allah. Swarga nahi magi, moksha nahi magi. I don't ask for the heavenly enjoyment. I don't ask for liberation. Na kore prarthana kon vibhutir lagi. I don't beg for ask for any opulence. Do you understand? Vibhuti. Yogic perfection. Nothing. Huh? Do you understand? Life after life I'll serve you and give you pleasure and enjoyment. Nija karma guna doshe je je janma পায় হ্যাঁ নিজ কর্ম গুণ দোষে যে যে জন্ম পায় সকল জন্মে যেন তোর নাম গুণ গায় even such a devotee never ask Supreme Lord, please destroy my karmic reaction. He never asks. No. He never says. He never disturbs. He never disturbs the Lord. Please destroy my karmic reaction. Why ask for this thing? It is automatic. Huh? It is automatic. Isn't it? Why ask for this thing? You're a foolish person. You are asking for this thing. It is automatic. Huh? Karmani nirdahanti kintu sa bhakti bhajang. Brahma Samhita. Huh? Karmani nirdahanti kintu sa bhakti bhajang. When it comes to the path of pure devotion, automatically all his karmic reactions are destroyed. Why you beg for it? No question of begging, asking. You are foolish, begging this thing. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Nija guna karma doshe je je janma পায় জনমে জনমে যেন তব নাম গুণ গায় O Lord, according to my guna and karma, if I deserve to born as an insect, a worm, let me have it. Let me have it. কীট জন্ম দাও যথা তুই আদাসো If I deserve to be born as an insect or worm, according to my guna and karma, let me have it. But one prayer, I'll be your servant. In that birth also I'll be your servant. In that birth also I'll chant your holy name. Please give me this thing, grant me this thing only. Nothing else. What? Can you think of this thing? Huh? Is calm, desirelessness. No calm. Only thinking of the pleasure of the Lord. happiness of the Lord, giving him pleasure and happiness. Nothing to be. You understand? He's calm, he's peaceful. He has kept Krishna in his mind 24-hour day and night. He loves Krishna so much. He's only eager to give Krishna all enjoyment and pleasure, nothing for himself. That I was saying this morning, as gopis, they gave the dust from their feet. And if required, giving dust to Krishna, if required to go to hell, suffer there forever, let us go and suffer there. Let Krishna be happy. This is love. You understand? This is love. Huh? Pure love. There's no tinge of material lust in it. That is pure love, Krishna Prema. You understand? One who does so, why go to hell and suffer, Baba? Guru Maharaj. Why go and suffer there? Huh? Who loves so much Krishna, and always 24 hours engaged in loving service, giving him pleasure. He binds up Krishna with the rope of love. Krishna says, oh, je datha mang prapadyante stans tatheva bhajameham. Huh? You understand? Krishna always pays back. Always pays back. If you give $1 to Krishna, Krishna will pay you back thousands of dollars. Baba. He never becomes indebted. Je datha mang prapadyante stans tatheva bhajameham. Huh? One is rewarded according to degree of his surrender. Isn't it? It's complete surrender. Nothing begging anything. So say, oh, I'm ready to give him everything. I'm ready to give him liberation. But he's not accepting. What shall I do? What shall I do? He made me indebted. Oh, he made me indebted. Do you understand? Diyamano na grunhanti mad sevanam vina. Do I offer them, please take this? No, he never accepts. What shall I do? All right, I have nothing to pay. Take me. Please take me. Do you follow my point? Take me, take me. Krishna becomes bound up. That is love. So foolish you are. Rendering and serving and asking for this thing. Huh? That's foolishness. He's peaceful. He has kept Krishna in his mind, thinking day and night, 24 hours. Only Krishna, nothing else. So that person, materialistic person, came to that Maharaj, paid obeisances. I was telling that story. Huh? Maharaj immediately understood, as a materialistic person, materialistic thoughts are haunting, my therefore couldn't sleep. He said, all right, yes, I have medicine. Come at evening. I'll give medicine in the evening. So that person came at that time. Maharaj doing Kirtan, Harikatha, many followers, disciples sitting, listening, tasting the nectar emanating. Do you understand? From Krishna Nam and Krishna Katha. Do you understand? So switch. That person came and sat down there, leaning against that pillar. So after some time, then he done it. Then he fell asleep. Then snored. Then his students are there, disciples, they tried to pinch him, to awake him. Because this is offensive. If you sleep during Hari Kirtan, Krishna Katha Kirtan, because Krishna Katha is not different from Krishna, don't sleep before Krishna. That is offensive. So when someone sleeps, dozes, then other devotees pinch him. They make him awake. Do you understand? But Maharaj said, no, hey, don't make him up. Medicine is applied. Medicine is applied. Don't wake him up. Do you understand? जहाँ कृष्ण तहाँ नहीं माया रो अधिकार कृष्ण सूर्य सम माया हो अंधकार जहाँ कृष्ण तहाँ नहीं माया रो अधिकार where is Krishna? There is no question of Maya. Huh? Krishna सूर्य सम Krishna is Chinmaya Bhaskara. Krishna is not material son, is spiritual son, transcendental son, Chinmaya Bhaskara. Do you understand? That Shastra says in Mahajana say, it's Chinmaya Bhaskara. Jahan Krishna tahan nahi maya ro adhikar. Krishna surya sama maya hai andhakar. Krishna is like blazing sun, maya is darkness. Where is Krishna? There is no question of maya, no darkness. Do you understand? If Surya is here, blazing sun is here, is there darkness? No, no question of darkness. Now, there is no Surya, so darkness is now. Huh? So if there is Krishna Katha, pure Krishna Katha, Nectarian Katha, this Katha is not different from Krishna. How will it be? The Maya will enter there. No Maya. No material thought will come up. Then all material thoughts are out now from his head, so he could sleep now and snored. Do you understand? And Maya is just sitting there just at the gate. If you go, capture, hey Baba, where have you gone? Maya catches there. But no Maya here. His Krishna Katha is there. Congregation of devotees are there. Do you understand? So that person had very sound sleep. So Katha Kirtan was over. Then all went to prasad, then took rest. That person was sleeping there. When it was day, then sun rose and some rays fell, woke up. Oh, such nice medicine Maharaj has. I had never experienced such sleep during my whole lifetime. Came to Maharaj, paid Dandavat Maharaj. Such medicine you have. Oh, very nice medicine, very effective medicine. Oh, throughout my whole life, and not such sound sleep. I says, please come every day and take medicine. Hari, hey, take medicine.
Maharaj, is that why devotees fall asleep in Srimad Bhagavatam class? Is that why devotees fall asleep in Srimad Bhagavatam class?
Yes, because you see, in Bhagavatam class, is anybody sleeping here? If you speak really Krishna Katha, do you understand? There is no question of this materialist Maya will never enter. They will enliven, become enlivened. Huh? Where is the question of laziness and drowsiness? Huh? You follow my point, Maharaj? Please excuse me. I beg excuse. I'm not hurting anybody. If I commit offense, please excuse me. Such enlightenment is there. Huh? Enlightenment is there. Huh? Such releasement is there. Huh? How can one fall asleep? Therefore we wake him up. Hey, wake up, wake up. Why are you sleeping? Do you understand? Huh? Don't be in the darkness, come to the light. Huh? Tamosoma jyotirgamaya. Veda says. Tamosoma jyotirgamaya. Huh? Come out to the light. Don't be in the darkness. Huh? Krishna Surya Samandra, enlightenment there. No question darkness. Why do there? Why sleep there? It's enlightenment. Enlightenment. Huh? No question. Someone, his previous habit is there. So much Is engrossed in such. Rajgun is Rajagun. Gopal Maharaj, Rajagun is
Passion.
passion, yes, passion is predominating. That person lives. So our duty is to drag him. Hey, come on, come on, come on. Wake him, wake him. Stand up, we say, stand up. Yes, we say, stand up. You understand? Here. And make him engaged. Make him engaged. No question of passive listening. All should be engaged. This is question of reciprocation. You understand? Reciprocation. Keep everybody engaged. Then no question of sleepiness. Sleeping is there. Well, that person every day came. And gradually all these thoughts get out from his mind. He developed taste for it. Developed taste by this association. This association, sadhu sangha. Now how can you keep Krishna in mind? How can you develop this prema? Only by association. One was really developed prema. One was really bound up Krishna in his heart. কৃষ্ণ যে তোমার কৃষ্ণ দিতে পারো তোমারও শপথি আছে আমি যে কাঙ্গাল কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি ধায় তব পাছে পাছে ও বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর হ্যাঁ isn't it? ও বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর কৃষ্ণ is yours. You are bound up Krishna in your heart. হ্যাঁ আমি কাঙ্গাল. Kangal means a penniless person, generally. Do you understand? He runs behind a wealthy person. Please give me one penny. Please give me one penny. Isn't it? Similarly, one who is bereft of Krishna. Do you understand? Crying in his heart for Krishna. Do you understand? How to get Krishna? He's Kangal for Krishna. Do you understand? Follow my words. So he runs after that Vaishnava Thakur. Krishna যে তোমার কৃষ্ণ দিতে পার তোমার শপথি আছে আমি যে কাঙ্গাল কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি ধায় তো ও বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর Krishna belongs to you. You are bound up Krishna in your heart. Krishna has become bound up the rope of love. Krishna says, no paroi, no paroi. I cannot repay your debt. Such love, loving debt. But he doesn't want anything. Krishna is ready to give him everything. Material enjoyment, material wealth, liberation, everything. But he never accepts anything, never begs for anything. So I became indebted. So he bounds up Krishna with the rope of love. And though Krishna is almighty, all powerful, he has no strength to break that bondage, Maharaj. Bondage of love. No parai. I cannot break it. I have no strength and no power, almighty Krishna. All powerful Krishna. This bondage of love is so strong, even Krishna cannot break. You are breaking? Huh? Are you powerful than Krishna? Krishna cannot break that bondage of love, but you are breaking. Narada Muni, are you breaking? This bondage of love, true love, so strong, Krishna cannot break. How can we break? How can we break? Huh? We are so rascals. We are breaking. We are breaking. We are rascals, really rascals. Isn't it? Huh? Then what to speak of? This is love. This is true love. And unless you develop such love, unless you associate with such persons, and hear Krishna Katha with full faith from his lips, Sruti Khita Patham. If you hear, then that premanjana, that ointment of love will be smeared on your eyes, then you can see Krishna. Already, how can you see Krishna? Premanjana Surita Bhakti Vilochana. This hearing. Savana required. That person came every day and hard and developed this thing and gave up all materialistic thoughts. Do you understand? And became a devotee. He could sleep peacefully, all thinking of Krishna. Do you understand? No materialistic thought. Ah, that is what needed. Mahaprabhu gives this thing. Krishna Prema. And therefore, one was developed such thing. So you should have the association of such person. Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Shastra koi. Love matra Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Siddhi hoy. All Shastras, they just stress upon it. Sadhu Sangha, Sadhu Sangha, Sadhu Sangha. Do Sadhu Sangha, the association of Sadhu. Sadhu means what? You should understand who is a real Sadhu. Oh, big matted hair, big beards, naked fellow with one copin. Huh? Smear ashes throughout the body. Sadhu? No. You cannot see Sadhu with your eyes. Can you see Sadhu? Maharaj, can you see Sadhu with the eyes?
Yes.
No. Through ears. Through ears. The eyes will treat you.
I'm not seeing Sadhu now.
Huh?
I'm not seeing Sadhu now.
You have developed that vision, you see. I speak the general mass. Excuse me, Maharaj, I'm not saying you. You have smeared Premanjana on your eyes. You have developed that vision, you see Krishna everywhere. And Sadhu is their devotee. But what I'm speaking to general mass. Isn't it? You cannot see Sadhu with your eyes. You should see Sadhu through the ears. Through the ears. That means the real Sadhu, completely surrendered, absorbed in Krishna Prema, always busy 24 hours, loving service of Krishna, only thinking of Krishna, nothing else. You understand? As soon as he opens his mouth, he speaks Krishna Katha. Nothing else. No Gramya Katha, no Rajaniti Katha, politics. You understand? Yes, Sadhu. Yes, Sadhu. You understand? Therefore we say, see Sadhu through the ears, not through eyes. Conditioned soul has 4 defects. Brahma, Pramada, Vipralipsa, Karuna, Pata. This is Maharaj. Huh?
Certainly I have.
Karuna, Pata means defective senses. Huh? Senses are defective. Huh? Not perfect. And we have accepted this principle. Seeing is believing. Seeing is believing. Yes. All of us. Isn't it? Seeing is believing. If I see, then I believe. There's no so. Oh, can you show me God? Can you show me Lord? They say so. All people say, yes. Lord, Lord, Supreme Lord, Krishna, Krishna. Oh, well, where is he? Has anybody seen him? I am such a great man, big leaders. I am such a great man, leader. Do you understand? I have gotten support from 1 billion, million people. They have given me vote. I am not seen. What they have seen? They say so. Isn't it? When we go and speak about Krishna, all right, this sadhu say Krishna, Krishna, Supreme Lord. Then ask, oh sadhu, have you seen Krishna? Then we say, yes. Can you show me? Then I will believe. Can you show me? Then I believe. Are Baba, if I show you, can you see him? Have you vision? Huh? You understand? So it is coming to my mind now. I was a teacher in higher secondary school. I was teaching English. One English poem was there. The title of the poem is Blind Boy. I was teaching. Well, I was teaching, I was thinking to myself, oh, what a rascal I am. I'm thinking, I am teaching this thing. The poem says there was a blind boy. He was blind from very birth. Do you understand? Born blind. He was born blind. Very birth he was blind. He has never seen sun. Do you understand? Those who have eyes, they see sun. They speak about sun. They say, hey, the night is already past. Now effulgent sun has come out, risen. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Huh? He was hearing what they're saying, sun, sun, sun. What is that sun? I can't see sun. How is it that sun makes their days and night? I make my own day and night. When I sleep, that is my night. When I wake up, that's day. What is that? Sun makes the day and night. They say, oh, brother, I tell you, don't speak about sun before me. Don't disturb my peace. Don't speak about sun. Don't disturb my peace. I make my own day and night. When I am asleep, that is my night. When I am awake, that is my sun. Day. What is that? Your sun makes your day and night. Where is that sun? I can't see sun. Born blind. I never see it. But he is not prepared to admit that I am a blind person. I have no proper vision to see the sun. Yes, they have vision, they see and they speak. I should accept and I should be very eager. Oh, my oh, brother, oh, my friend, will you please help me? How can I see sun? They are not saying this thing. Isn't it? Huh? Premanjana Surita Bhakti Vilochanena Santa Sadeva Hrudes. Huh? How can you see Krishna? If I show you, can you see? This is their motto. Seeing is believing. That's not correct. You have defective vision, conditioned soul. Huh? It's very easy to understand what you perceive through your senses is all defective, not perfect. Huh? Oh, you cannot cheat me. I am eyewitness. I have seen with my eyes. Hey, Baba, what you have seen is not perfect, it is defective. Huh? You are moving in a fast moving train, going very fast. Look at the trees standing beside the rail. What do you see? The tree is running very swiftly, backward, and you are sitting still. I am not running. Trees are running. Is it correct? Then seeing is believing. Nonsense. Really, you have developed, who has that vision, believe him, and be eager and cry for it. How can I get that vision when my eye will be open? Ajnana timirandhasya jnananjana salakaya sakhyurmilitam jena tasme sri gurave namah. I pay my best. That Guru was opened my eyes. What is that English, please say? Torchlight of knowledge dispelled that darkness, ignorance, that I can see Krishna. Isn't it? The blind man, cataract is there. Over his eyes, he should approach a doctor. Will cut the cataract out, then can see. So one should approach sadhu vaidyo. Sadhu is doctor, vaidyo. Who can make such operation and remove cataract from your eyes? Then you can see, oh, beautiful Krishna is here. And you should admit, yes, I am a really blind man. But they are not prepared to admit that thing. How can they be helped? His help is there, but they don't want help. That's all I say. Do you understand? Stupid mind. I say, mind is very stupid. Don't rely on this stupid mind. Mano tumi bada dusta. Oh, mind, you are very stupid. You should listen to me. I want to listen to you. Indrebhya paramana manasata para buddhi. Ja buddhe tu parata saha. Isn't Maharaj? Gita says, mind is superior to all other senses. Mind is fifth sense, ekadasa indriya, 11th sense. And intelligence is superior to mind, and you as soul is superior to intelligence. The mind is your subordinate, your das, your master. If you make your stupid mind master, is a bad master, but a good servant. Mind is bad master and a good servant. If you make him his servant, then a good servant. It will take you to Krishna. Manmana bhava. Do you understand? And if he is servant, make your stupid mind your master, it will drag you to hell. Do you understand? Mana eva manusyanam karanam bandha mokhya. Mind is the cause of your bondage, cause of your liberation. Yes. Anatma satruti vartate eva. Atma. Controlled mind is your friend, uncontrolled mind is your enemy. Controlled mind means what? Mind which is fixed up with the lotus feet of Krishna, who has kept Krishna, who is always thinking of Krishna. That is controlled mind. That is your friend. Therefore Krishna says, Manmana. Therefore Mahaprabhu says, day and night, 24 hours, think of Krishna and utter name of Krishna. Waking state, sleeping state, and even at the time of taking prasad, bhojan, food, don't forget Krishna even for one moment. Then mind is your friend. You understand? Take you Krishna. Well, don't rely on stupid mind, promptings of the mind. If you keep friendship with your stupid mind, do you follow? Then it will drag you to hell. Therefore, Acharya says, Bhagavatam says, Na karichit sakhyam. Don't keep friendship with this stupid mind. Always watch its activities, what this stupid mind is doing. And beat him, you stupid mind. I won't listen to you. You have to listen to me. Avoid the prompting of stupid mind. That is first astra, weapon. Second weapon, Hari Guru Charana Upasana Astram. Fifth canto, Bhagavatam says. Second weapon. Take shelter of Hari Guru. Do you understand? Hari Guru. Guru says, Sishyate ham sadhimantam prapannam. Guru inflicts severe discipline. Guru says, do's, some don't do's. Do this, don't do this. Strictly follow the instruction of Guru. Come under strict discipline. You understand? Then mind will be controlled. Then mind will keep Krishna. Otherwise, no such thing. Thank you.
Maharaj,
Yes.
if we all just sit around all the time and just think about Krishna, then
Yeah.
who's going to do any of the work around here?
Work for Krishna. While working, why you forget Krishna? I'm doing this thing for Krishna. Engage 24 hours for Krishna. Huh? I'm not saying that you
Well, how will,
idly.
how will I maintain my family? And I mean, what you're speaking is not practical. I'm a family man. I have my wife. I have to get money.
That is moha. Ata griha khetra sutapta vite janasya mohoyam aham mameti. My family, my wife, my son, my daughter, my
Well, I know
land
they
and
belong to
property.
Krishna, but somebody has to take care of them.
Huh?
I know they belong to Krishna. I'm
Yes.
a devotee.
Yes.
But it's my responsibility to take care of them.
Yes.
Prabhupada says I
Yes.
have to.
Who says don't take care of it? Who says don't take care of it? Huh? I was saying that thing, isn't it? তোমার কার্যরে তবে উপার্জিব ধন তোমার সংসার ব্যয় করিব বহন ভক্তি বিনোদ ঠাকুর says ধন জন গৃহ দ্বারা তোমার বলিয়া রক্ষা করিয়া আমি মাত্র সেবক হইয়া ও লর্ড this wealth, this family, this property are yours, nothing mine. Do you understand? I am your servant. Huh? And you have entrusted this responsibility on me. on my head to take care of your family. Huh? So I am taking care of your family as your servant, following your instruction. Do you understand? So I am earning money. Money is required for maintenance of your family. Huh? So I am earning money for the maintenance of your family. Do you understand? তোমার সংসার ব্যয় করিব রক্ষা করি আমি মাত্র সেবক হইয়া I am only servant only and I'm guarding against it. Do you understand? I am taking care of it, protecting. Huh? Do you understand? Following your instruction. It's not my family. Nothing mine. Everything belongs to you. I am giving that example. In Ramayana, Bharata's example. Huh? Bharat requested Lord Ram, you are king, I am not king, I am your servant. I cannot sit on the throne. That is your seat. How a servant can sit on that throne? Huh? Ramayana story, isn't it? Please come back. This is politics of my mother. I cannot become king. I am not king at all. You are king. I am your servant. I have to serve you. You are the master. You understand? Ajodhya belongs to you. The citizen of Ajodhya. You are the master and all are your citizens. Isn't it? Huh? I am not master, I am a servant. But Ram didn't come, but he took his sandal, wooden sandal. Huh? That is represented Ram. Put on his head, put on the throne and proclaimed, Ram is king. I am his servant for 14 years. On his behalf, under his direction, I am managing the affairs. This is the example. Huh? Not mine. It's delusion. Janasya moha. It's delusion. Huh? Griha, dwara. Huh? Also griha, khetra, suto, apto, vito. Mine. Aham mameti is a delusion. Moha. Moha. Yes. Krishna sansar karo, chhadiyo na cha. Do Krishna sansar. Don't do your sansar, Maya sansar. And become sadachari. Give up asadachar. What you say in English? Purified activity. Someone said me like that. I don't know. We have sadachar. Code of conduct. All right. Do you understand? Krishna sansar karo chhadiya anachar. It's Krishna sansar. But we say our, my is Maya sansar. Don't do it. Therefore we violate everything. That is what. This is our teaching. Our temple means what? This is a family. This is a family. It's Krishna's family. Huh? And you are head of this family and you are managing. Do you say my family? Huh, Maharaj?
You say my temple.
My temple? Finish, my temple. This is Krishna's temple. Krishna is master, I am servant managing. He has put on my head to manage.
Can I say my deities?
No.
No?
My deity is a beloved, yes. He is beloved, he is lover, he is my loving deities, I am his servant. So, যদি আমার প্রতি স্নেহ থাকে, Mahaprabhu says, if you really love me, you must love my words. So, he is master sitting there. He is my master, my heart. Ah, beloved deity of my heart. Master. You understand? Yes. He is your deity, my deity, his deity also. Don't be so selfish, that my deity. Jagannath, Parvanana. Yes.